एकदम 50 रुपए में हमारा सारा क्लिप काट लेगी।
लगाई नहीं है यार, उसका
क्या मार ये शूट नहीं हुई हमसे, ये फेक नहीं हो रहा इनसे, हम लोग कब से वेट कर रहे हैं। Hi guys, we finally made it to the airport. एनर्जी नहीं आई।
ऐसा नहीं, कुछ नहीं, सिंपल लॉजिक लगाना है। अल्लाह हाफिज।
Thank God. We got it. Guys, we are at Ahmedabad airport and hello. So we are actually having our lunch, which we got from Wow China. And basically this tour, this trip, this vlog is completely going to be of Hyderabad as the title suggests, and we are off to Hyderabad for an educational tour, which is the Biopharma Leadership Tour, which is solely for pharmacy students, and we are so lucky and so blessed to go
Be a
for
part
this
of this
and to be a part of
organization.
this.
Grateful.
So grateful, and we will always be indebted to Padua University for this. And this vlog will be highly contagious for knowledge. So do share it, because everyone in the world, everyone in India, everyone in Gujarat needs to know about this. Because this will contain videos, clips of us going to companies like Bharat Biotech, Indian Immunologicals, and
Converge Biopharma.
yes, so many of them.
Stay lined up.
And yeah, we are so excited to be a part of it. And we're off to Hyderabad. We have a flight at around 4:30. We will reach Hyderabad at 6:30. Right? 2 घंटे का. 2:30 at traveling to Hyderabad. And we are so excited for this. Stay tuned, because this vlog will contain all of the memories, all of the clippings, all of the knowledge that you should know, and all the insightful talks that the owners, the renowned company owners give. So be a part of it and keep watching this video. We'll see you later. Bye bye. And let us enjoy this.
हम लोग रेट करके बताएंगे कैसे।
Bye bye. क्या
गाइस 8300 वाले फॉलोअर्स के व्लॉग में आ रहा हूँ मैं। इतना नसीब खुशनसीब इंसान।
फालतू चीजें। अभी हम ट्रांजिशन वीडियो बनाने जा रहे हैं।
अभी हम किधर जा रहे हैं?
गेट नंबर 1 ट्रांजिशन वीडियो के लिए।
अभी तो गेट नंबर 3 लिखा है व्हाट्सएप में।
why am I ready and why am I sitting like this? It's because the lighting here is not so good and I just wanted to look a little bit lightened up, you know, because lightening your day is my work, right? But yeah, so it's day one and today we are visiting IICT. We will be meeting Sandeep Bharte. We will also be visiting Heathrow Labs where we will be meeting GP Rao, and we are also going to visit Pulse Pharmaceuticals where we will be meeting Devraj Rambhav. So there are a lot of things which are lined up for us, and yeah, that's it. I just got ready. We woke up at 5:30. We had a breakfast at 6:30, and it's around 7:20 right now. We have to head down at 7:30, and we will be leaving for the entire tour, entire day. Our entire day is packed up, and yeah, that's what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this loose formal shirt. I love loose shirts. And I'm wearing this trousers, which I'll definitely show to you right over here. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing. And yeah, yesterday was super tiring. We were exhausted. So but you know, it's obvious that we slept at 1 because we 3 girls, we were just chit-chatting, gossiping, this and that. So we did that, and yeah, I enjoyed. The hotel we're staying in is La Mandarin, and it's a business hotel. So that's it, and we are here under the organization of Kyanstan and under Parallel University, of course. So also we got this customized kit, which I'll show it to you right over here. So the kit has been customized for each one of us, where we have this diary, we have this badge which we have to wear it all the time, and also one identity card as an attendee for the entire tour. And we have a pen, we have this bag which we have to carry. That is it, and I'm enjoying it. I'll see you there. Bye bye. Bye bye.
ना day one
Day
है
one.
day one इनकी vlogging और ये vlogging की ना हो जाती है चिकन करी कोई बात नहीं
As usual. देख रहे हो. So we are in an Institute of Chemical Technology, and it is basically under the umbrella of Council of Science and Industrial Research. It was established in 1944, and today we are also meeting Sandeep Bharte, the principal senior scientist and department head. So we are super excited.
Mainly focuses on R&D development of drugs and
biochemistry and biotechnology
And bioinformatics too. Basically applied sciences. So
and
Let's-
herbal drugs also.
let's just bridge the gap between this and us. Bye bye. So we had this edifying session with Sandeep Bharte, and trust me, the insightful talk, the explanatory talk was so informative, and we got to know in depth about what IICT is and what do they include, what is it all about, and yeah.
Can I say he told about many things which can be extracted from the plant products such as collagen, and I don't remember more. Sorry for that.
It's okay, but we covered a lot of
Yeah,
things.
and collagen was used for antihypertensive, that I remember.
See, kids. But yeah, we learned so much, and we also had this chance to ask questions to him, which also made us think about it in depth. So that's it. The second spot for day 1 was Hetero Labs, and trust me, the governing and sanitization for Hetero Labs were to the point, and making it worthwhile, we were divided it into 2 groups where we learned so many things about granulation, packaging, labeling, and everything that we should know in the field of pharmacy. So I think we should definitely know about this, and we should definitely come over here, and we should definitely have a session with GP Rao, that is the CEO of Hetero Labs. We had a very edifying plus informative plus productive session with him. So we should definitely come. So tired.
No strength.
We are here for dinner. we want to go to the room, but ended up for the dinner. Oh my god.
रोड क्रॉस करना है आराम से बाबा.
रोड क्रॉस करते करते भी वीडियो ले रहे हैं. कहना चाहेंगे? आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
एक्चुअली अभी
हम बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए.
कुछ बोलने का. हेलो.
Hi guys, it's day 2 and today we are going to Skytech Patent Arts Services and also University of Hyderabad. We are heading for the breakfast right now and then we will leave for the spot for today. So let's go. Spot for the day, NIAB, National Institute of Animal Biotechnology. And the insides of NIAB.
Hello.
Stop 3,
So we are on a कौन सा stop? हाँ, School of Life Science.
University of Hyderabad. It is also known as the University in the Forest because, of course, surrounded by forest completely.
There's so much greenery all around. Yeah, all the
Much needed in India.
full of green.
And we are here at the School of Life Sciences. Let's go in. Guys, the campus is humongous. It's literally humongous. It's massive. So there are content creators everywhere. So that's the BioNest Incubation Center. And if you can see, technology, business incubator. And that's huge, huge. So there is a lot on the plate to do, but this is our third stop and we don't know, we still don't know.
Should hopefully be our last stop.
This should be our last stop according to the itinerary, but let's see. So now you know what's BioNest. It's bio incubators, nurturing entrepreneurship for scaling technologies. There we go.
हम पीछे बैठे हुए ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. देख लिए, आगे मत देखना. लैला नाच रही है, निर्मल लैला.
आ गया.
तुमके मिस तो नहीं करे?
क्या?
किसी ने मेरे तुमके मिस तो नहीं करे?
कर दिए. Guys, we are at the Shilpa Ramam artifact. Content creators की कमी नहीं है हर जगह. मैं बोलने जाती हूँ चालू हो जाते हैं. अब क्या करें? समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. We are at the Shilpa Ramam Artifact Village. So, okay, apart from jokes, we are over here, which is one of the most famous places in Hyderabad. Let's go. Here, many of the vendors sell their products. So, it's basically like Tibet market of Adota. And we are here. We are here for exploring, for knowing what they actually sell. So, they have various, products like jhumkas, bangles, skirts, crotchets, shawls, dream catchers, and number of things. So let's go. We don't know where we are. We are just
बोला ना मैंने सबके सब खो जाओ
rambling around.
सबके सब खो गए घूमते रहो
खो गए सब एक साथ खोए हैं वो भी. Just look at this. यहाँ से हमसे रोड क्रॉस नहीं हो रहा. क्या होगा हमारा? कुछ नहीं. ये हमें रोड क्रॉस करवा रहे हैं. ये फोन लेके लगा था.
गाइस ये रो रही है.
किसी ने मुझे रुलाया है. Comfortable mode. Yo, what's up, peeps?
3 दिन का स्ट्रगल.